don't wear me in the sunshine. I've done lots of videos talking about how to look after your sun, sunscreen, etc. But this one is things you absolutely shouldn't do in the morning and put on your skin ready for a full day of sun. Things that are risking your skin and risking damage if you add sunshine to them. So first one on my list, AHAs. Often you'll see this. So AHAs are alpha hydroxy acids, like your glycolic acids. Some people argue they shouldn't be used in the sunshine. It really depends on their strength. If they are very, very mild, you'll be fine. But if you've got really kick-ass glycolic peels, then I wouldn't. I would save those for bedtime. Retinol, vitamin A. Now, good, all retinol suppliers and people that use it in their ingredients will put on the packets, do not use in the sunshine. However, there's been quite a lot of them that are now saying they're encapsulated, they're time release, you can wear them in the daytime. I strongly just would say no, don't. Like, I know that's what they're saying, but ultimately the point of retinols, and when they're really working, is they sensitize your skin. They make it more likely to be sensitive, which makes it more likely to burn and get damaged. And ultimately you'd be using a retinol probably because you're trying to get rid of pigmentation. Why would you then risk that in the daytime? Just don't. Like, get your boost of sunshine in the day, save it for nighttime, whatever that retinol company says. And I know I can be a bit conspiracy theory about this sometimes, but very often when you trace like the scientists who work for the brands that say that, like, they're always brand linked. Yeah, I know I'm probably being a bit, but truthfully I've seen it quite a lot of times. So I would just keep them as your PM post sun product, which really links to anything you're looking out for, anything that's going to make your skin heightened and more sensitive and more likely to burn. So like, shed loads of fragrance, don't use highly perfumed products and then hit out into the sun. Masses of oils, I'm a bit mixed on this. Yes, don't cover yourself in cooking oil and go sunbathe. At the same time, a lot of very good carrier oils. So if you've got some really good organic seed oils like raspberry, carrot, they actually have some natural SPFs in, and a lot of people use them under their sunscreens, but they have to go under a sunscreen. And so this is what you should not do when you are about to get in the glorious, glorious sunshine and vitamin D boost. And I'm going to do a vitamin D video for you as well. So thank you so much for watching. That's what not to do in the sunshine. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. If you know that you have people that love their beauty and that might be risking their skin in the daytime, send this their way. Please share.